We head to Washington, where the Trump administration is planning to fire over 80,000 employees over the Department of Veterans Affairs.
Scripps News Group Deputy Political Director Joe St. George joins us live now this morning. And good morning, Joe. So this is some big news for us, especially here in the Coastal Bend, because we have a large veteran population. Can you tell us if this could impact their health care?
And no doubt that you have some winter Texans perhaps still watching us right now, coming from other parts of the country who are veterans, and they maybe rely on veterans care in Texas during a certain part of the year. Obviously, what we're hearing about the downsizing of the VA shouldn't necessarily be a surprise, because the Trump administration is talking about downsizing every facet, it seems, of the federal government. That's the whole purpose of Elon Musk and the Department of Government Efficiency. Now, from a percentage standpoint, we're talking about 15% of the VA workforce. Because the VA is such a massive agency, that equates to north of 70,000 potential employees. So this is where these numbers are coming from. Now, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs, Doug Hollins, recently said to employees in a social media video that the agency is in the midst of transformational change, and for lack of a better word, get on board with it, because the change is going to be continuing over the course of the next 4 years. Remember, we're just in the first few weeks of the Trump administration. Now, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs did make this commitment to veterans. And if you're a veteran out there wondering how this may impact you, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs said health care, benefits, how veterans experience the VA when they go to see their doctor, that's not going to be impacted. A lot of this is more of an effort to change the bureaucratic makeup behind the scenes. Although you have critics, Democrats, saying, how can you look to fire tens of thousands of people and not be some impact on your typical veteran seeking care? All of this coming after what was a record year for the VA serving veterans from coast to coast. Guys, as we've been saying since January 20th, there's ideas, there's proposals, sometimes there's actions, usually there's lawsuits, and we'll wait and see where this ultimately ends up.
Yeah, a lot of it does happen in the courts. Joe, thank you so much for your time and keeping up to date on this. Look forward to talking again soon.